Hey everybody, this is Brandon with Digital Auto. We're going to do a showcasing on this 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Let's do it right now. Okay, here it is, 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Only here at Digital Auto. Has the 20-inch wheels. Rims are nice on it. It's really nice all the way around. This vehicle is really decked out for a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Like I said, it is the Laredo edition. Looking all around this vehicle, it is in really good shape. We're going to check out the inside right now. We'll look at the leather and everything on this. Doors, everything in really great condition. No rips or tears or scratches that I see in the leather. Everything's in pristine condition. Dash, everything's been well taken care of on this vehicle. It does have the big screen, touch screen there and everything, dual climate control, and just, I mean, it's got the heated seats, it's got everything. It does only have 111,000 miles. Only lights on it is that the door's open. Everything's been taken well care of in this vehicle. Get in the back seat here, look at these seats, let you check them out. Like I said, everything's been very well taken care of. It does have the large sunroof in the top, big panoramic sunroof up there. Air in the back. Really nice vehicle. 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee here at Digital Auto. This is Brandon. Come check us out. Grab this one before it's gone. The link to the listing will be in this video. Y'all have a great